Hi everyone, so I'm going to briefly explain what distance learning is going to look like through the routines and expectations. So in this slide, I'm just going to cover a few things, kind of what I did over spring break. I am going to skip through that just for the sake of not making this video too long. But your Monday expectations, your Tuesday through Friday expectations, how to utilize Google Classroom, how attendance is going to work, distance learning etiquette, Google Meet expectations, communication plan, and then kind of our distant learning goal to wrap up in just a brief thanks and questions. So again, I'm just gonna click through that. All right, so on Mondays, every single Monday, so your to-do list is going to include the following things. Check the weekly agenda doc. Now notice the weekly agenda doc will be posted on Monday. You will notice that not all the days might be filled out, and that's okay because the expectation is that you are checking it daily. The instruction videos may be there, but your daily activity might not be filled out until that morning, and then you'll go in there and complete it. Always go to this doc. Everything you'll find will be right on this doc, and it'll explain it to you. I just don't want things to get lost, so I'm always going to be working with a weekly agenda doc that I do post Monday and continue to add to throughout the week. So on Mondays, you'll have 20 to 30 minutes of independent reading time, and then when that time concludes, you will reflect on your independent reading. It'll be a little bit different each week how you will reflect on your independent reading. For example, for those of you who've done a flip grid, it may be completing a 30-second flip grid saying, hey, this is what I read for the week, and telling me about exactly what you read. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This is going to look a little bit different because I'm actually not instructing on Mondays. You know, the plan is there is instruction in place, and that's your independent reading. But I don't have office hours during this time, and I will explain that more as we go. But on Mondays, I'm really giving you feedback, and I am meeting with other teachers and having a lot of meetings during those times. So your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday plan will look like this. There's that weekly agenda doc that I just talked about in the last slide. You can see the daily instruction is going to be a video, and you can just click on the links, and then your daily activity will be there. So that's going to be the slide you're working from. Notice there's a video that you can watch. So Google Classroom, it's the same one we have been using. Note you'll see a distant learning topic that's now posted with all the different resources listed here. And you will see that the weekly agenda docs will be posted in one area. The attendance plan. So coming to class means you will have completed your daily activity by that day. If 2 days, I notice you haven't completed your daily activity, in my mind, you have been absent and I'm contacting you, or I'm contacting your parents or guardians, kind of like checking like, hey, what's up? I don't see you completed your daily activity. So it could be marked as absent or if you have not done your daily activity. And that's again with 2 consecutive days. So I'll be contacting you or your parent or guardian. There's a quick video about distance learning etiquette. Keep in mind that although we are online, SHPA policies apply throughout our distant learning time. Please act like a mature and respectful 6th grader. I can boot you out of Classroom. I can boot you out of Google Meets if you are not acting like a mature 6th grader that I know you are. And with that, if that happens, I will not only contact home, but I will need to contact both the principal and the assistant principal. Google Meets expectation. There's a lot here. I will record all Google Meet video chats. This is a district requirement. It's not being posted anywhere, but if anything happens in the chat, Miss Holohan or Miss Bennett can then see it. So keep that in mind. When you join Google Meet, you may not be the only student there. In order for things to go effectively, please mute your microphone. So I can show you how to do this. We're going to practice this on Thursday during our Google Meet time, which is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., or you can join the 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. You do have a choice between those times, which you choose, and I'm going to take questions and kind of show you how to do Google Meet. I also did post a video of how to do it as well. I will not allow any non-district accounts to join our Meet, and there's a lot there. Be nice to one another, okay? There's going to be a lot of us in there, and it's going to be different, but you need to be nice to one another. Again, Chippewa policies do apply. Okay, this is my communication hours. So every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you have an option if you want to join the morning time 9 to 10 or the afternoon time 2 to 3. So I'll be online there, and I haven't posted the link yet, but I am going to be posting a link. So all you really have to do is click on that link and you can join the Meet. So if you don't want to join the Meet, you can definitely email me. This will be the fastest response when it's not communication hours. I will email back quickly. Then you have the Google Meet. It says Google Hangout, but Google Meet. Or you can email me and I can give you a call. So those are your options if you don't want to join the Google Meet with the whole class. If you want to quickly shoot me an email and say, hey, could we just do a one-on-one Google Hangout? Or you just want to give me a call, that is fine too, but you do need to email me first. All right, communication is key. So please don't hesitate if you're confused or you have a question. It's going to be constantly changing and evolving as we get closer to May 4th. Please do not hesitate to reach out. Again, the fastest is email. Communication is key to make this successful. Please don't feel like, oh, I'm going to be bothering her. No, I'm sitting at home alone, just waiting to help you. So please, please, please get in contact with me if you're confused or anything isn't making sense. All right, here are some things I said for our distance learning goals. Notice there's 3 here. I cannot stress enough how important communication will be throughout this time. Please connect with me or even your peers when you are confused or need further clarification. So stay connected. That's our number 1 goal. 2, stay positive. This time can be stressful when we are not all together working as a team, but it's important to stay calm and remember we can do this. I want this to be a fun experience for you despite our circumstances. Please know I'm here for you during this challenging time, so stay positive. And our 3rd goal, stay focused. Although we are using a different format to learn, it is important to stay focused. We are so close to the end of the year, and I know we can do it, so stay focused. Those are our goals. Stay connected, stay positive, and stay focused. And if you have any questions, again, email me. I'm here for you. Stay healthy, helpful, and calm, as the emoji says.